Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenika, and for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these clip-ins. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by braiding my hair. Some people leave their hair out when they do clip-ins, but I'm only leaving the front out. I'm gonna do a middle part. Yeah, everything else is gonna be braided down. I'm not a great braider, but it's gonna be good enough for these clip-ins. Okay, so I finished my braids. Let me hold on. Move on. Okay. Here's a little 360. I don't know what the back of my head look like, but I think it looks alright from the front. Hold on, let me do another one. Okay. I like bobby pin the ends up. And I'm about to oil my scalp, and then we're going to put in the clip-ins. Okay, so the clip-ins I'll be using are the Better Length clip-ins. It is afro kinky curly. It's 3C to 4A hair. I've gotten clip-ins before, but the other ones that I had weren't human hair clip-ins, so like they messed up really easily, so I really wanted these. I heard really good reviews on TikTok about them. Yeah. Oh, I think this is like 12 inches. Oh no, it's 14. Yeah, 14 inches. The hair is really soft. Okay, let me turn around and show y'all me putting these ones on.
Take a look at Lips sealed, ain't pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe, got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, off of stress. All this money, when I grew up, I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life's disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Getting checks, I don't believe, but she say she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the peak, fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Okay, so I have to leave, so I went upstairs and put on different, like a jacket and stuff like that. But anyways, I finished and this is the final product. It's cute. I'll probably add in, because I didn't use all the clips. I have about 5 left. I'll add a couple in the back because I feel like it could be fuller. Let me do a 360 for y'all. But it's really cute. I like it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.